What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Quick video on how to install large format porcelain plank tile for your shower pan. Now, this would be really easy for a 3 foot by 3 foot shower pan or your typical 3 foot by 5 foot shower pan. It applies to those as well. This shower pan has a few funky angles. Let me quickly show you here. So there's the shower pan. Here is our 8 by 48 plank tile that flows all the way over there, okay? Now, we want a seamless look. We don't want a transition, we don't want a curb, and we don't want different tile for the pan. Large format's easy to clean and maintain. You get excellent water flow and pitch towards the drain. So, first step, very simple. You mark the corners, 4 corners of your drain. You snap lines at the 4 corners of the shower pan. Now, as I was discussing before, it's much easier and a little more symmetrical with a 3 by 3 pan or a 3 by 5 pan, but we're gonna work with what we got. We have 2 lines snapped over there, and we have a few choices for this corner. We're going to choose the farthest line over here, and then our 4th line will be there. So, what you do first is dry fit all of your porcelain plank tiles. After you dry fit them, you will cut each tile along these 4 lines, which will allow all of the tiles to give and provide a proper pitch to the drain. So here we go, first step to dry fit all this. We'll make the cuts, put them in, and then show you the next step. So here's the start to our layout. Let us show you really quick. That's 90 right there, but when you bring on the square down here, you can obviously see right there. What you use is a simple angle finder. We'll show you how that works right now. Use your square in conjunction with the angle finder to find your angle. Then you take your angle finder, draw your line on the tile. So here's our tile. You line it up square here, your angle's there, draw your line, make your cut. So first cut for our pitched large format wood plank shower pan. I can't get enough of this view. Okay, now the pan is all dry fit. Large format wood look. Let's show you here. So here is your large format shower pan. It's dry fit. This is not permanently set with thin set quite yet. Of course, the grout lines are off, but they will be all 1/16 of an inch when installed. And of course, we have to knock down and bevel some of these edges with our diamond hand pad, as you can see over there as well as over here, but this gives it a beautiful maintenance-free wood look, which will continue without a seam all the way in to the rest of the bathroom. Let's install and show you the final product. Here we go. And there's the final product. All grouted. Of course, we need to do some touch-ups, seal all of this grout. But there it is, guys. Large format, wood look, porcelain plank shower pan. All the way out, as you can see there, fully seamless. Shoots all the way down the hall of the bathroom into the vanity area and back into the toilet room area, but seamless. Proper pitch, proper slope, fantastic water flow, and a fantastic look. We have our 12 by 24 wood look porcelain on the walls, mosaic glass, decorative here that complements the floor very well. And of course, the quartz that complements the wall tile. Another alternative to a sheeted pan shower floor. So 3 things to hit on here. 1, it's virtually maintenance free. Very minimal amount of grout that goes into the shower pan. Therefore, minimal amount of cleaning. 2, it gives it a very modern, unique look. And 3, in our personal opinion, using large format tile, helps to move the water quicker to the drain there for better water flow and better drainage versus your sheeted pan, cut flat river rock, your 2x2, what have you. But again, that's a very nice look. And there it is, guys, how to measure, cut, and install large wood look pan tile for your shower floor. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and most importantly, if you know anybody who might find this video useful, please share it, and I'll see you on the next one.